Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Edley for everyone that does not know me, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this hair look. It's very Bella Hadid inspired, but I've seen a few other celebrities do this as well. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to brush out all my hair using a detangler brush to make sure that there aren't any knots. Next, I'm going to section off the part that I want to use for the side sweep. I decided to make my part a bit slanted just because I feel like it's more flattering this way, and it leads the eye to the ponytail, making the overall hairstyle flow and come together more naturally in my opinion. Next, I will be taking my TANCHO stick. This is basically just pomade on a stick. I got it off of Amazon and I will have it linked in the description. I will run this throughout my hairline to ensure that no baby hairs will stick out. Next, I will be taking my board brush and use it to smooth out and spread the TANCHO pomade throughout my hair. This will prevent any unflattering bumps when I tie my hair. I will begin by securing only the top half of my hair. I find that when I try to secure a sleek ponytail altogether, it's never as tight or as neat as when I do it in two sections. Next, I will be running the TANCHO stick throughout the back part of my hair. I tend to get some baby hairs near my neck, so I want to make sure that those are secure. And just like the top part, I will use my board brush to smooth out the section and to help gather the hair. Next, I will secure it with the top half of my hair. Next, I will take some bobby pins and spray them with some hairspray by Living Proof. This will make them tacky and prevent the hair from slipping out. Next, I will be hiding my hair elastics by taking a small section from the ponytail. I will slip 2 fingers through one of the loops from the elastics and take the small section that I separated and loop it twice around the hair elastics and my fingers. I will grab the small section using the 2 fingers and pull it through. Next, I will take my flat iron to create a flip at the ends of my hair, but first I need to make sure that I protect my hair by using heat protectant. This is one of my favorite heat protectants. It's from Foxy Bay and it smells amazing. It literally smells like cake. So this is not the ideal flat iron to create hair flips, but you'll see how I make it work. As you can see, my attempt to create a flip did not go so well, but I quickly reached over for a hair roller and let my hair set in while it was still hot. So I just put a clip in and I let that cool. And to finalize everything, I'm just going to set it with some hairspray. Okay, so I let my ends cool in the rollers for about 15 minutes and this is how they came out. Okay, so that's gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.